हेलो एवरीवन। नाटा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम कलर थियरी और मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस अभी आ सकते हैं या पिछले सालों में आए हुए हैं वो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इसके पहले मैंने ऑलरेडी कुछ वीडियोस पोस्ट किए हुए हैं जिसमें मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हुए हैं। टुडे विल फोकस अपॉन द पेंटोन कलर स्कीम and few more aspects of color like Vibgyor and how does the reflection of color takes place, how can we see colors or objects of with a particular color and things like that we'll discuss today, and also along with that the questions related to previous year's papers that we are going to discuss. The information that you can see on screen has already been shared in the earlier videos, so we'll skip that and directly look into the Pantone color scheme. This is the question that was asked in the recent NATA exam. The question goes like this: choose the Pantone colors of year 2021 from given palette below. There are four palettes or the options given, and out of which, as you can already read here, the correct option is option B. I'm sorry. Option B is the correct option over here. So what is it exactly? Like what is it actually? What do you understand by Pantone colors and Pantone color of the year? To know more about it, let's go ahead with the description of Pantone color scheme. Pantone color system is the most important color matching system in the world. The system originated in 1963 to solve the problems of complicated color matching in the printing industry. Soon after, Pantone color became the easiest and simplest way to classify, communicate, and match colors with use of a color catalog in a fan format. Every color in every tone and tint was given a number to classify it. देखिए यहाँ पे ये जो नंबर दिया हुआ है कलर्स को, वो इसके कारण ये काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट हो गया कि कोई भी कलर हमको जैसे पर्टिकुलर कलर चाहिए, जैसे एक फीमेल्स का होता है मेरा वाला पिंक, मुझे मेरा वाला पिंक ही चाहिए, ना प्लस ना माइनस ना ये ना वो। तो उस तरह से जब आपको पर्टिकुलर कलर चाहिए, चाहे वो किसी भी पर्पस के लिए हो, पेंटिंग इंडस्ट्री के लिए हो या फिर ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग के लिए हो या फिर टेक्सटाइल डिजाइनिंग में हो, फैशन इंडस्ट्री में हो, कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री में फॉर पेंटिंग द इंटीरियर्स एंड एक्सटीरियर्स, ऐसे जो भी फील्ड्स हैं जहाँ पे कलर्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होता है, वहाँ पे often we are very particular about the shades, tints, tones, and the appearance. So from that point of view, if the numbering is done for the colors, because there are n number of hues apart from the basic 12 shades that we can see on color wheel, there are n number of hues, colors, tints and shades that are available to us, right? So it becomes very easy if we number those colors. So like that, this Pantone Color Institute has contributed a lot in terms of classifying colors with their particular numbers, and thus we can say that Pantone has been go-to color matching system for not only the design industry but also for paint, textile and plastic manufacturer. Along with that, we need to also see as to what is Pantone color of the year. Eventually, this Pantone Color Institute, they wanted to celebrate their achievement in terms of declaring the color of the year, and this event started from 2000 onwards, wherein every year in the month of December, the Pantone Color Institute, they would declare the Pantone color of the year, and further the designers, marketers, creators, big brands and celebrity, fashion and textile industry, like that, or many such agencies, organizations, individuals, they would like to mark and celebrate this declared color of the year. So the question that you could see in the beginning of the presentation, that is based on the Pantone color of the year 2021. So for color of year 2021, these two colors, the combination of illuminating and ultimate gray. Illuminating is this, ultimate gray is this. So combination of these two colors has been declared by Pantone Color Institute as Pantone color of the year. And similarly, before, just a year before, classic blue was the Pantone color of the year. You can see that these two colors are having their specific names and specifications. So if we could just mention this color code, we would get perfectly what shade we want. उसमें कोई भी प्लस माइनस या वेरिएशन नहीं होगा. तो ये जो परफेक्शन के साथ हमें जो रिक्वायर्ड कलर और ह्यू मिल जाता है, दैट इज द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पेंटोन कलर इंस्टीट्यूट, एंड देयरफॉर this institute is known for its contribution thus. In the same league, this question, this is also from recent NATA exam. This also belongs to the same domain, that is Pantone color shades, shade card. You have to identify the color teal. The color teal is option A. So just like that, we need to have basic idea about the Pantone color institute and the related things. You can notice that Sony television, every one of us are pretty much aware that this is the logo for Sony television, and the color scheme that you can see on screen, this was changed. The logo although was same, but the color scheme was changed in the year 2018, because the Pantone Color Institute declared as this color palette. Of course, there were 8 color palettes that was those were declared as color scheme of the year 2018 by Pantone Color Institute, and this palette which you can see on screen is one of those 8 palettes, and the Sony television adopted these two shades for them in year 2018 to highlight the logo, and also for the sake of promotions. If you have been watching the serials and daily soap serials of Sony TV, you might have also observed that all those stars, television stars and actors, actresses, they were also for quite some time while promoting the channel, they were wearing these two colors. Their outfits were designed out of this color combination. So this is how even we could find several such examples wherein the big brands like maybe Google or Infosys or Black Pepper or any other brand for that matter, they would sometimes celebrate the color of the year, which is just a marketing gimmicks. Sometimes even the dress code of the employees would follow the color, Pantone color of the year. So this goes on for every year like this. Next in sequence is the question which is based on tints and shades. All of us are aware pretty much that any hue, when you mix the hue with white, you get the tints, and when you mix the original hue with black, you get shades, right? So this question is based on tints and shades of a color, which is also called as monochromatic color scheme. Monochromatic color scheme means you take one color, be it pink or peach or whatever is the color, you take the original hue and then you go on adding black to it at one side and you go on adding white to it the other side. You get a color strip with the original color placed at the center of the strip, while all the different tints of it at one hand and the shades of it to the other side of it. So like that, this question is based on tints and shades of a color and also based on monochromatic color scheme. So since it is going in a sequence, in an order, like the darkest shade is this, then this goes on getting lighter as we move forward in this direction. So out of these options, we need to identify that that would fit into these blank spaces in order to form a correct sequence. So thus the option is TQR. T, then Q and R, like that. In the decreasing order, you will see that T is little darker, Q is less darker, and R is even lighter than Q and T. So that this way the question is related to tints and shades and monochromatic color scheme. Let's move ahead with few more such questions. This question is all about a question figure which is given to us with four options over here, and we need to match just based on the color scheme, right? So in the question figure you can see that grays are available. We can also see kind of yellowish plate over here, a bit of green over here. So based on these dominance of the colors, we can then choose that which one is the most appropriate option. Like we should follow rather elimination method for answering such questions. Like in this case, see this one here, you can find purple, black, and kind of a red shade of a red, which is not at all present over here. So simply eliminate this option at once. Then look at these two options over here. Even over here you can see some of blacks and this brown kind of a shade, but then you don't find this gray. Gray is dominating here. So here gray is absent. Although white you will find here, which is present here as well. But gray, which is predominant in this question frame, is absent over here. So we can also eliminate this option. Then let us compare these two. Here you can find browns and a bit of yellow shade, but again gray is missing totally, right? Green is here, green here, but gray, which is in dominance in the question figure, is missing. So that way even we can eliminate this option. Finally, we are left with this, wherein the gray, the shade of gray, kind of a blue and yellow, white, black, bit of black, which you can find over here, is seen. So this becomes the right answer. So here, these type of questions are based on your observation, and sometimes we also need to like apply the common sense to hit the correct answer. Look at this question. This also was asked in the recent NATA exam that was conducted in the month of April. We all tend to surf internet several times a day. But then questions like this question are asked just to test the observation power of the aspirants. Like how observant you are about the surroundings, about the objects that you use and look at for several times a day. So you can see that the color scheme that is used in this Google logo of Google is the primary color: red, blue, and yellow. Along with that, even green is also used. So if you compare red with green, these two are the complementary colors. Complementary colors are mostly contrasting in nature, right? And so we can say that a combination of primary colors and complementary color scheme has been used to design the logo of Google. And uh, uh, sometimes there is a strong thoughtfulness also. Not sometimes, most of the times when the logos are designed, there is a strong logical thought behind deciding the color scheme, behind selecting the font style, and the designing of the entire logo. So here the color blue probably has been used for G with a enlarged letter G, just to indicate that this brand belongs to the whole world. Across the globe that this brand has to work for, right? So since color blue also symbolizes earth is for blue planet, so maybe thinking something of that sort, the color blue has been decided for the first letter of Google. And just to maintain balance between these colors, the color red and yellow has been put in between, again repeating G with color blue, then green and red to E, which is tilted. So while designing logos, the color scheme, the whole color palette plays a vital role. So we all know that option A is the right option. आपको इसमें इतना क्लोज वेरिएशन है कि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन आता है। ये चीज़ हम हर दिन करीब करीब देखते आ रहे हैं, फिर भी कंफ्यूजन आता है। तो आपको एक चीज़ ये ध्यान में रखना है कि लोगोस के ऊपर जैसे 2 से 3 क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, तो आप कम से कम लोगोस पे ध्यान दो। जैसे बैंक, अलग अलग तरह के जो बैंक्स हैं उनके लोगोस, और जो आपके मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे जितने भी एप्स हैं उनके जो लोगोज हैं। अमेज़न का जो लोगो है रिसेंटली उसको अभी चेंज किया गया है। और फोर व्हीलर के लोगोज हो गए, बिग ब्रांड्स के लोगोज हो गए, इस तरह से जो मेन लोगोज है उस पर आप ध्यान दो। Next in sequence is also the question related to color scheme. Here we got to do more with the psychology of the color, the effect of the color or color emotions, what we could say. The question is also from the recent NATA exam, as you can see over here, 10th April 2020. The question goes like this: which of the given abstract artwork best depicts the emotions of joy and optimism? इसमें जैसे 4 कलर स्कीम्स या 4 तरह के आर्टवर्क दिखे हुए हैं और उसमें से आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करना है। तो यहाँ ऑप्शन बी है, ये हम सबको दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन किस तरह से? तो हाउ डू वी रीच टू द करेक्ट आंसर? For that, I have also incorporated a bit of theoretical part in it related to color yellow and blue, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक जो फ्रेम है इसमें ब्लू डोमिनेटिंग है, बाकी कहीं येलो नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको येलो दिख रहा है। So let's see as to what color yellow says about the emotions and the feelings. Yellow is universally recognized as color of happiness, optimism, creativity, enlightenment, and sunshine, right? So therefore, color yellow is not present in the rest of the three frames except for this frame. About blue, it is written that it is primary color across all the models of the color space. It is the color of ocean and sky. It often symbolizes serenity, stability, inspiration, wisdom, or health. It can be a calming color and symbolize reliability, right? So this way we also got to have a basic idea about the emotions and feelings of the color, or we can also say the psychological impact of the color. But otherwise, for example, you are not well equipped with the color psychology. In that case, how do you go ahead with the elimination method? See, this particular frame can be related with joy or optimism. Overall, it looks dull. So maybe we can eliminate it, right? Look at this one. Due to the composition, due to the way it is made, and also due to the presence of color red over here. Color red, all of us are aware that we could directly relate with color red to blood, right? So color red sometimes gives us makes us feel restless, and also it could be related with aggressiveness. So maybe we could also एलिमिनेट दिस ऑप्शन. विजुअली ऑल्सो जब आप इसको देखते हो तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इसमें चीज़ें बहुत ऐसे सेटिस्फाइंग या बैलेंस्ड या काइंड ऑफ प्लीजिंग नहीं लग रही हैं. ये थोड़ा प्लीजिंग लग रहा है, पर कलर ब्लू का कम से कम आपको इतना आइडिया होना चाहिए कि उसका साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है. कलर ब्लू जो है, सिंस वी कैन रिलेट इट विद सेरेनिटी, स्टेबिलिटी, मतलब आप जैसे कलर ब्लू के बारे में सोचो तो इमिडिएटली आपको वाटर ये ध्यान में आएगा, स्काई ये ध्यान में आएगा. सो वाटर एंड स्काई, ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर कामिंग for us, but at the same time we get a sense of deep thoughtfulness, or something like we are pondering about. जैसे आसमान की तरफ आप जैसे शांत मन से जब ऊपर देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि आप कुछ सोच रहे हो, आप कुछ सोचने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. पानी की तरफ अकेला बैठ के आप देख रहे हो तो भी आपको वही फीलिंग्स आएंगी. तो कुछ उस तरह से ब्लू को देखा जाता है. और कई बार ब्लू को एक दूसरे एंगल से भी देखा जाता है. जैसे जब आप हम किसी एक अच्छे मूड में नहीं है, दिस ब्लू डिपिक्ट्स द ग्लूमी feeling, gloomy effect, and sadness, kind of unhappy mood or something like that. So that way, blue is mostly preferred for offices if we relate it with stability, wisdom, health, and inspiration. These kind of terms could be related with blue. Therefore, blue is preferred for offices and also for the dress codes, formal dress codes in many places. So this way we could relate the color blue with the feelings. And color yellow, since it symbolizes optimism, creativity, enlightenment, इसको ज़्यादातर कलर येलो जो यूज़ होता है उसको बच्चों के जो स्पेसेस बनते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल दी डे केयर सेंटर्स, the elementary schools, primary schools, or even for that matter, the garden areas, amusement areas, such areas which are dedicated to kids are mostly designed with color scheme, colorful spaces and the activity areas. Apart from that, even the hospitality industry like hotels, restaurants, in those areas also, since color yellow is also related with warmth and creativity, enlightenment, sunshine, happiness, and warmth. we tend to see the use of color yellow, orange, such analogous color scheme in restaurants and hotels. So this is how we can also get a basic idea about the color scheme with respect to the psychology of colors. Moving ahead with few of the questions from JWB Arch paper 2, previous year's questions, you can see that the question is all about which one of the following colors absorb all light falling on it. इसमें चार ऑप्शंस हैं आपके पास, ब्लू, ब्लैक, ग्रीन एंड पिंक. तो आंसर हमें पता है ब्लैक है. ब्लैक क्यों है? क्योंकि जो नेचुरल सनलाइट है उसमें 7 कलर्स होते हैं विबग्योर के नाम से जिसको हम जानते हैं. तो वो सारे जो 7 कलर्स हैं वो मिलके हमें एक साथ दिखाई देते हैं, इसलिए हमें कलर जो सनलाइट है उसका कलर या तो हम उसे कह सकते हैं कलरलेस है या फिर वाइट है, ऐसे हम कह सकते हैं. तो सनलाइट जब रिफ्रैक्ट होती है थ्रू प्रिज्म तभी हमको ये 7 कलर्स दिखाई देते हैं. अब ये हमें देखना है कि ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं वो एक पर्टिकुलर कलर में हमें किस तरह से दिखाई देते हैं. ये फैक्ट जो है ये साइंटिफिक फैक्ट है जो आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा हुआ है 10th में, 11th में, 12th में, फिर भी हमको इसको रिवाइज करने की ज़रूरत है ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने के लिए. जैसे यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दैट दिस सरफेस इज reflecting out of the 7 colors. This particular surface is reflecting only red color and rest all colors are getting absorbed. So the color which is getting reflected, we could see the object with दैट कलर. जैसे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट यदि रेड कलर का है तो वो हमें रेड कलर का इसलिए दिखाई दे रहा है क्योंकि सिर्फ कलर रेड जो है सनलाइट उस ऑब्जेक्ट पे आ रही है, इंसिडेंट सनलाइट, and after that only red color of the 7 colors of Vibgyor is getting reflected, rest all colors are getting absorbed, therefore we can see that object as red in color. These two are the two extreme cases. In case when any object looks white to us, means all the 7 colors are equally getting reflected. Whereas in case of the black surface or black colored object, all the 7 colors of sunlight will get absorbed. Therefore, we don't see the object with any one particular color, but the object would look rather black to us. So just we need to refresh all such information, all such scientific things which we have already studied maybe somewhere in 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th. In relation with this knowledge from physics, it is advisable for you guys to also revise the scientific facts related to the color, that how does the color gets refracted, and specifically about the wavelength of Vibgyor. We read Vibgyor from bottom to top like this, because when the refraction takes place, because of the longest wavelength, that is of red, color red, this gets refracted first, and lastly the color violet gets refracted. That is because of the nature of the color with the shortest wavelength. So also remember these two figures at least, so that if any question related to such scientific facts is asked in NATA exam, because we are expecting a few of the questions from physics and basics of maths. So if this kind of a question is asked, then you'll be able to answer the question. Last but not the least, because we are yet to continue with few more videos based on color scheme and also about the other topics, as the exam is very close. I'll be speedily posting few more question based videos like this. But before I end up today's class, can you answer this question, that what color scheme is this gown that is designed for the actress? If you can answer this question in the comment box, I would be very happy to respond to you through my YouTube channel in the name of Art to Success by Saraswati Tutorials. Please stay tuned for more of such information. That's all for today. Have a great day.